Happy back to school to everybody. This is the French 6A, the French cinema class. A little bit of information about me. I'm from Saint-Lizier, a small town located in the Champagne area, 2 hours away from Paris. I completed all my college studies in France at the University of Nancy 2. I started to teach in my French hometown in the early 90s. After 9 years, I wanted to see some new places, and I was lucky enough to be selected by the French Foreign Ministry to work for 3 years in French immersion programs in New Jersey and in Louisiana. In 2006, I returned to New Jersey and I became a French high school teacher. I'm starting this year my 7 years as a French teacher in Princeton High School and my 27 years as a public school teacher in France and the United States. I'm teaching 5 courses this school year: French 4, French 5, French 6, French 4A and French 6A. In all my classes, my goal is that your child can speak at a proficient level with French speakers from different origins. Interpersonal speaking, communication skills is an essential skill to achieve in a world language course. And to reach that goal, students must accept and welcome mistakes as evidence of learning. During remote learning, I'm available on Zoom during my office hours and upon appointment when needed. I'm new at Canvas. I'm a very new user, so I might have some bumps on my way, but I'm sure I will be fully functional in no time. I'm in the process of transferring all my teaching material to the new platform. To ensure individual participation in remote learning session, I'm currently using Pear Deck in all my classes. This is a Chrome extension that transforms my Google Slide into interactive activities. At the end of each session, I'm sending a Pear Deck takeaways to my students. It's an editable Google Doc that integrates a copy of all my slides on the note taken by your child. If a student is not present, I can create a student-paced version of the presentation, and students can make up all written and reading activities from the slide. But still, I need to contact them or I need to speak with them during my office hours to complete all the conversation activities that were going on during the session. During remote learning, I'm creating 1 micro unit a week. So students have to complete all the modules activities in chronological order, and all due dates needs to be respected to be ready for the next class. So next week I'm going to start the late work penalty. It's a 20% penalty. I will be back in my regular classes when the full remote learning period ends. I do not have my own class, so I will be traveling to 2 different rooms during the day. Students present in class will use Zoom to complete their interpersonal speaking activities, and they will engage in conversation with the students who are home, allowing them to improve their communication skills and to collaborate in projects. And all students will use their computers to complete all readings and writing assignments. Your child must not be using automated translation to complete their reading and writing assessment and assignment. Doing so will deprive them from learning. So let's take a little moment to work together across our Canvas website. This is the French Cinema French 6A Canvas site. So what is Canvas? Where should I go to do my activity? What to look for? So this is the French 6A French Cinema class, the Canvas page. We are in student view right now. So in my page on the top, when you go to the welcome page, you will see the last announcements with very important information regarding my course. And if you see below, we have a little Bitmoji classroom where you can find a link to my personal page and you can see where I'm available for my office hours. I recorded a little video in English for you. And you have my calendar. So this is information about the teacher. If I go back to the main page, on the same Bitmoji classroom, the link, you have the module. So the module is a very important piece of Canvas. This is the central piece of Canvas, technically. Module 0 was what we did last week. We did a module where we learned about each other, and we had to take a quiz about the syllabus, the code of honor. All the activities within a module have to be completed in chronological order. It's not possible to receive a badge or complete activity objective right here if we didn't do the previous one. So it must be completed in order. It's due dates for each of them, so it's in the calendar. I'll show you that after. Module 1 just started today. We are Tuesday, September 22nd, and in that module, every time my students have something to do after the Zoom time, I put it here on its title, really with the date, like this, no confusion. Activity for Tuesday, September 22nd, Unit 1, Lesson 1. So, what they need to do? Just click on it. They click on it and they have everything numbered. I explain what I'm going to do in class during the Zoom session. And at one point I close the Zoom session because my students have to watch, for example, 30 minutes of a movie. They have to take notes and they have to write a summary on impressions. And they have to post that into Canvas. So this is all the work we have to complete within the day of Tuesday, September 22nd. This is the module. If I go back to the little class with all the hyperlink, you have some resources here. I put link with my office hours and way to all document, and I put again my office hours here on the page. So you have them everywhere. Something important in Canvas. A good piece of advice. Where should I go for essential thing? The calendar. So click here into the calendar. If you open the calendar, you want to be sure that the little tie with the class French 6 Advanced class is selected. If it's unclicked, look, it disappeared. So you want to be sure your child click on the little tie, that it's colored. And if it's colored, he or she will see all the work to do. Last week it was all on Zoom, so that was the Zoom session. This week I do a mix of Zoom and activity to do after. Look, this is the activity that was in module 1. If I click on it, I have all the details and even the hyperlink. I can click here, for example, and I can open the French movie they have to watch. So those movies, very important, are in French with French subtitles. They have no English subtitles. And those movies that you see in the calendar are restricted to PPS email address. So the students have technically to watch the movie from Canvas and then to post a summary and impression about the movie. That's pretty much what we are going to do week 2. We are going to start the first movie. So that was Madame North. Again, very important. You go on your tile and you have 2 things, the module and the calendar. Hope it helps. If you have any question, please contact me. Excited to see what we are all going to do with this. Happy new school year and happy back to school to all of you.